Welcome to Nallanas Moreddy Educational Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad, Estimation, Quantity Surveying and Valuation. I'm Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In previous videos, I explained about how to solve the problems of roads and canals. In this video also, I'm going to explain one more problem. Here the problem is calculate the quantity. Here quality means quantity of earthwork of construction of an approach road. Here earthwork is construction of approach road. Length is given 1 kilometer, width of the formation 10 meters, and side slopes is given 1.1:2 or 2:1. Okay, here you can take as a 2:1, right? Quantity of earthwork, how to calculate this formula. Now we'll see how to calculate construction of earthwork, right? Here first we'll note down what is the given data for us, right? See here, first one is given L. Okay, what is L here? Length of the road, that is L is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, right? This is equal to how much? You know, as I explained previously, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? This is in meters. First you have to convert into always meter. Here what is the width of formation? Width of formation, what is the width of formation? You should know what we know from the problem. Width of formation, W, width of formation is equal to how much is here given? If you observe here, width of formation is 10 meters. Okay, this is width of formation, right? Now what is the height of the embankment D? D is given as 60 centimeters, right? Here you have D is equal to 60 centimeters, right? D is equal to 60. This is given, and slope is equal to how much given here? In this problem, slope equal to, we have to take 2, right? So we are asked to find calculate quantity of the earthwork. So to calculate quantity of earthwork, how to calculate quantity of earthwork? So what is the formula to calculate the earthwork is here. Now here the formula of quantity of earthwork is equal to Q is equal to A, area of cross section, multiplied by length. Okay, so how to calculate area of the quantity? Okay, from trapezoidal formula we'll have this formula BD plus here SD whole square, that is here right. So this is calculate area, right? See here, if you see this formula, you can write this equal to, okay, here what is B? Here B is given as B is equal to, that is W here, right? Formation width, that is equal to 10 meters, right? See, what is D? Here depth is equal to, this automatically is coming, no, this no issue, but here I will take, so that you may not confuse, this small d is equal to how much? 60 centimeters. So 60 divided by how much? 100. That you have to convert into meters. First of all, you have to convert into meters. So 0.6 meters, right? So first, always we have to convert into the units. Okay, in the units, right? See, basically, then now we know BSD. We have to calculate area. How to calculate area? This A, here A is equal to, you can write, you can get this common, right? Here B plus S D, right? This you can write area from the above formula, right? Here D is how much? D is equal to 0.6, right? Here I shown here D is equal to 0.6, right? Here this is equal to 0.6, okay, multiplied by how much? What is B here? B is equal to 10 meters, right? 10 plus S is 2 and depth is again 0.06 here, right? .6, right? So this is equal to A. You will get A here, right? Now our problem is to calculate the quantity of earthwork, right? So earthwork is equal to, here Q equal to, here Q is equal to, here Q equal to A multiplied by L, right? So what is A here? Above equation. So what is it? You can write, calculate, or directly you can do it here. Okay. This A is here. Okay. This you can write like this. So 0.6 multiplied by 10, right? Plus 2 multiplied by 0.6 into how much? Again 0.6. Okay, this is area you calculated. multiplied by L. L is how much? 1000 meters. Okay. In this way, we have to calculate the problem. Now, as you know, this how many numbers? Only one number quantity. Here, one. Okay. So here one number, this area into L, you will get quantity. Okay. What is the quantity of earthwork here? Right? Here, this is equal to, right? Here, if you see calculate 0.6 into 10 is 6 meters, right? Plus here 0.6 into 2. Just you go to calculator, 0.6 into 0.6 into 2. Okay, this is here 0.72, right? This multiplied by 1000 meters. This you will get total quantity, right? This you will get total quantity. Okay, this equal to 6. This is equal to how much? 6.72 multiplied by how much? 1000, right? So the 1000 you will get 6720. This is equal to, okay, here is equal to, right, cubic meters. So quantity of earthwork is calculated of the road is 672 cubic meter. What is shown is here in your problem. Thank you. We'll solve one more. Next, we'll go for next unit. Thank you.